Hi, it's Mike with AskTractorMike.com. This is my neighbor Wes. I just did a video on how to use eyelet to eyelet lifting straps like this for lifting machinery. And I recorded that video like 2 days ago, and now Wes, what the heck are we doing here, Wes? We're going to try to move some
concrete anchors,
and he's let me get behind the camera here. This is my neighbor Wes, and he's well, you can see in the background we have a redneck deer blind up there, and you're going to take these off in the woods and hang them up on a stand.
Yep.
And then we've got to put, I'm not sure we're going to be able to lift that way, we'll try, but what we're going to do is we're going to use lifting straps to take these. It's a couple of concrete bases that have poles in them, and we're going to try to pick them up and move them safely with the pallet forks and these eyelet to eyelet lifting straps. And we have a 6-foot strap there, and we're going to put one fork through there. And I think what I want to do, Wes, is we're going to take a 3-foot and put it through here, and we need a pin in the end of that. I'm going to get the camera here close so I can kind of show what we're doing. We've wrapped a 6-foot strap around the base of it. Yeah, perfect. And then Wes is putting and this is a pole right here. And this one probably weighs, what, 700 pounds?
750.
And that one weighs 800 pounds. And we're going to be picking it up with a 40-horse tractor. And I want to caution people when we're doing this, I'm trying to get this done before dark. Wes is trying to get it done before dark. And if you can tell the lighting conditions, sun's gone down. We've got probably 20 minutes to get this done. My experience, when people get hurt doing stuff like this when they're hurrying, so we want to get it done, but we also want to be safe through this process. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly what we've done here. We've got these straps will cinch up as we raise the forks, and I don't think there's any way they can go anywhere, and we're going to pick that up from this trailer and put it right there on that trailer. And important thing, when I lift this up, I better be in 4-wheel drive, because I'm going to try to pick the back of my tractor up. And there's Julie running away from the camera, Wes's wife. And so I want to be in 4-wheel drive, and once I get it, this trailer's like a year old, right? I hate loading on a new trailer, but we're going to be real careful that we don't bung up the side here when we pick it up. All right. Yeah, if you want to, just kind of follow it, and if you want to put it on there, you can, or however you want to do it. All right.
Wes, you need to go up, Mike, up.
As I'm watching what we did last night, I'm noticing some things I did wrong. Right here, if you'll notice, all the weight is on that right side. It's on the right strap, on the right fork, which is fine. But look at the angle of the fork. If that strap would have slid down that fork, the load would have been right on the fender of the trailer. So I should have leveled my forks out and lifted the load up just a little bit higher. Now right here, you'll notice I dropped the load down to the ground. I don't know whether you can tell it in the picture, but the ground slopes pretty hard to the right, to a dry creek bed. And if I've got that load up in the air high, geometry takes over, and it could lift the rear left wheel of my tractor off the ground, and I don't have much of a ballast weight on the back of me. I've just got a post hole digger there. So I let the load down so I don't tip up that back left wheel, and if I do, it doesn't go very far, because that is a pucker moment if you've ever done that.
That one's not even doing anything.
Well, I tell you what, you want to take it off and we'll just flip it around.
I can spin it.
There we go. Now we can spin it.
No. Sure, not good.
We actually found out at this point that having all the weight on one strap was a good thing, because Wes is going to spin the load around to fit the available space on the trailer. And again, I should have leveled my forks out, because all that weight is on that one strap, and if that comes back, it's going to be on the fender of the second trailer.
Come this way a little. This is wide. Yeah, that's good. Okay, down.
Easy peasy.
That was great. I think
Yeah, I think it'll work.
There we go. Good idea.
Let's get the both. Just in case. As they were loading this second concrete block they weighted, it weighs 800 pounds, which is well within the lift capacity of the tractor and the forks and the strap, but it's still a pretty good load. If I'm lifting much more than that, I want more of a counter ballast on the back of my tractor, like a brush hog or something, to offset that weight. But as it was, it did just fine on this tractor. One last thing here, I was watching pretty closely to make sure my forks cleared that fold-up ramp on the trailer. If Wes drives off and I'm not far enough back that it doesn't clear the forks, we got a big problem. But I was back far enough, I was watching that closely. If you'd like to order these exact same straps, this is a 2-inch eyelet to eyelet strap. One's 6 foot long and one's 3 foot long, and you can order them by clicking the link in the description below, which is a link to my Amazon affiliate page. And full disclosure, I do get commission when you order those. That helps support my channel, and it's greatly appreciated.
Straps work great.
Here in the daylight, you can kind of see what we did. Both of the loads are safely on the trailer, and Wes will take those to the deer woods and put up his deer stands and have happy hunting. If you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'd be honored. Just click the mic face icon and check the bell so you're notified when I post future videos. If you'd like to order interesting things for the tractor enthusiast, maybe for gifts, go to my website here in the Tractor Fun Store. Here's another video you might want to watch. Thanks for watching.